Okay, first we're going to start with some items that I picked up from Tarte. Some of these items are outdated, they were on sale, and I kind of like to go back and see what I missed over a course of a few months or a couple of years. I'm in a makeup group on YouTube, and some of the items that I displayed, they let me know that they had sold some of these items years ago, but they were on sale, and who doesn't like a good sale? So I'm going to start with some holiday, some eyeshadow, just a whole lot of things that I picked up. So let's get into it. So first is Tarte High Performance Naturals, and this is from their Tarte Holiday Collection. And these are what the colors look like. I'm not going to swatch everything. And this was the packaging. However, I will take them out of the box. And excuse my voice, I'm a bit under the weather. I finally mustered up the courage to go get the vaccine, and I encourage you, if you don't have any underlying health issues, to go ahead and get the vaccine. And that's my um, commercial for COVID-19 vaccine. Next, I picked up the Tarte High Performance Jet Set Wonder, and this is the packaging. And these are the items it comes with. Um, let's read the back. Um, it comes with Rainforest of Sea Deep Dive Makeup Remover Gel Cleanser, and that's the packaging. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist. That's the setting mist. Tarte Maracula Oil. Maracula Oil. And it's just a little dropper. Smells like, to me, smells like castor oil. Let me put some more, put it all over my hand. Looks like my hands look a little bit dry. Okay. And so, pack your bags. And these are the eye mask bags, patches. And we have the Tarte Parte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. And this is the packaging. And this is the color. I'll swatch that. Kind of a light pink mauve tone. This will be good also for a eyeshadow transition color and base. So if this is not a color that you would wear on your cheeks, you could definitely use it for an eyeshadow base. And I love this cute little packaging for the mascara. That's really cute. It's like a leather, almost like alligator skin or something like that packaging. It's really cute, and it's purple. And so the last thing we have, I think it was something else in here. Oh, that was it. That was it. This is the Tarte Lip Color in Beach Babe. And this is definitely a mauve tone, almost like a tan mauve color. And those are the items I got from Tarte. And I'm a big fan of packaging and kits. I like things that come in kits that you can purchase if you don't want to buy individual full size, just to see how the product works. I'm a really big fan of that. And I think one of my friends that I watch on YouTube, Andrea Montalano, is a fan of packaging and small kits as well, or mini size, as she says. Okay, the next thing is Tarte High Performance Natural Fall Feels. This was a collaboration or a fall um, deal. And this is Fall Feels Eye and Cheek Palette. I just love the um, plaid packaging on these. I don't even know what year this came out, what fall year this came out, but I just thought it was really cute. And those are the colors. Here you got two transition colors. You have um, some shimmers. Shimmers are pretty. And there's a blue. I'll put that one right there. And there is a green. I'll use my thumb. I have to get better with this. Now those are the colors. This is the blue and this is the green. Okay. And here you get this is the Tarte Caramel Tarte Caramel Apple Shimmer. And some of these have become a bit grainy, but I use the stopper, the press stopper, to press it back down into place. And I think that's a good idea. Okay. Next, I received the Tarte High Performance Naturals. And these are the feeling of comfort and joy, coziness. This must have been a winter themed. Oh, it says fall. Okay. So this is the color. Wait, let's see. I guess the color is on the package. Trio Gloss Hygie and Kisses Tardius Remix Gloss Trio. And this is the first color. It comes on like a orange. It's not really sticky. But it's a good hold. And that is the Tardius lip paint. It's like a orange, burnt orange. The next color is like a plaid purple, and it's maybe a little lighter than the first one, and it definitely has a more shimmer consistency. This would be definitely good for a topper if you like matte lipstick, but you still like to add a shimmer to it. You see how it definitely covered up the dark line, the dark lip. I definitely like that. Like I said, these are old on their website, but I like a good sale. If I'm a year, 2 years behind, so be it. Now, I was an OG on Instagram way before it was a thing, and I have over 2,000 pictures. At the time, I didn't know that there was a program and you could monetize. I didn't give the color. This is like a gold shimmer. And it's picking up the little gold flakes in there. So that's a pretty color as well. And this is Tarte High Performance Naturals, and it's a lip gloss trio. So if you're still looking for a good lip gloss, and you want to save money, this is a good one. And I think also the dupes for any of the Tarte lip glosses is either Essence or Elf. Okay, now we're getting into our current faves. A lot of people have been doing collaborations with this Tarte Shape Tape. And I got the mini, the squad. And this comes with a foundation color and a concealer color. And this is very hard to get out the package. Oh, you have to lift the lid. Sorry. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. And it's like a light tan color. This is in the color 539, 53N Deep and Auroral. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. And I got the minis. And these retail for $15. If you just want to try it without buying the full, these retail for $15. Also, I picked up a few oldies but goodies. Excuse me. That couldn't be helped. Sorry. This is, I'm trying to pull everything out of the box at once. This is Big Ego Mini. And this is the eyeshadow. This is the application. And I see a lot of people reviewing and testing this out as well. I'm not going to test it out because I'm doing a full face Huda Beauty today. So I'll incorporate the Tarte on my next video. And this is another fall feels that comes in this box. And this is the Tardius lip paint. And I think it's the same color. Yeah, this is the same color as in the trio. And it came in a set. So like I said, I'm a big fan of kits and sets. And that's the color. And here is a full-size lights camera lashes. And this is a fall collab. And this is lights camera lashes. Excuse me, lights camera lashes. So, I don't have a big following on YouTube, but I would appreciate any feedback, anything I can do differently to build my content, to build my page. And I would enjoy that. This is also one of the bags that I picked up. And I think this came free with, I think it was $50 to $70 or more. You get, certain little items free after certain purchases. Okay, and so I also got Sugar Rush Tarte studs. I thought these were cute, and since we're in Texas, how cute is that to have some cactus earrings? That is really cute. Matter of fact, let's put these in my ear. I don't have any. Oh, well, that didn't work. Let me get the other one. I don't have any small studs. I think I just have like diamonds. So I'm going to pause right here and let me find that other earring.